We make stronger cables and more.
My grandma uses FlexiSpot Disc Size Pro every day for gentle exercise, and she's sleeping a lot better now. The bike is so quiet that she can ride it while watching TV. With a simple squeeze of the handlebar, she can use it as a standing desk when she wants a break from pedaling. I also use the desk bike a lot. It has wheels that make it super easy to move on my own, and once I sit on the bike, the wheels stay locked in place. My dad works from home and likes to cycle while reading emails. The levers on the chair and desk make it easy to adjust the bike and desktop to their height. My dad sometimes goes up to 7 or 8 and gets a high-intensity workout. Best of all, it's very easy to assemble. 1 minute is all it took to set up. Our whole family loves the desk bike, and we know yours will too.